Good morning and assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are all fine. Today is our English grammar lecture, so take your English grammar books and open your page number 13. Write date and day like this: 11 June 2020. Classwork and the day is Thursday. We will start our lesson number 3, unit number 3, prepositions. Preposition, a definition of a preposition is: prepositions are words that show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to another word in a sentence. यानी preposition एक ऐसे word को कहते हैं जो कि शो करता है अपना ताल्लुक किसी भी noun और a pronoun के लिए किसी भी वर्ड किसी भी सेंटेंस में। एक ऐसा वर्ड जो कि किसी नाउन और प्रोनाउन का ताल्लुक आपस में जोड़ देता है किसी भी सेंटेंस में। Here are examples. The baby is in the pram. In the pram. In is a preposition. The boy ran across the road. Across the street. Across is a preposition. Lara was playing with her doll. With is a preposition. The crow drank water from the jug. From is a preposition. The words in, across, with, and from are examples of prepositions. Prepositions are words that show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to another word in a sentence. Let us understand. Read the sentences below. Find the prepositions and write them in your notebook. Number 1 line is: the kite was flying in the sky. In is a preposition. The birds flew across the lake. Across is the preposition. He sat on the horse and rode away. There are two prepositions: on and away. There are a chair between two tables. Between is a preposition. The naughty boy hid behind the bushes. Behind is a preposition. Now turn to page number 14. Page number 14 is a practice. A. Part A. Fill in the blanks with the suitable preposition from the choices given in the brackets in your notebook. Brackets are: on, at, for, with, to, at, between, among. The school gives a holiday dash Independence Day on or at. On Independence Day. Benji has gone for a walk. For, with, for a walk. I am waiting a letter. I am writing a letter to my teacher. Which letter comes between P and R? Next is B part. Look at the pictures, then answer the questions given against each and write it in your notebook. Where is the dog sleeping? The dog is sleeping between the bushes. Where did the snake go? Where did the snake go? Where did the snake went inside the hole? Its hole. ये अपनी hole के अंदर जा रहे हैं. Inside its hole. Where is Belinda dancing? Belinda is dancing over the stage. Over the stage. What is Brad doing? Brad is playing with his dog. Next, page number 15. Complete the table below with opposite of the prepositions given in the list. Above, inside, far, before, under, over, off, within, down, in front of, across. There are many prepositions. So write opposite of these prepositions. Preposition in opposite word. Elephant says there may be extra prepositions in the box. Outside, inside, under, over, up, down, below, above, without, within, on, off, near, far, behind, before. There are opposite of these prepositions. These words are opposite words of these preposition. Next is extended exercise. Complete the passage given below by filling in prepositions, and prepositions are: on, at, out, down, for, between, in. Some prepositions will have to be used more than once. यानी हम एक से ज़्यादा दफ़ा भी किसी एक preposition को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. A match was to be played between St. Martin Boys and Red Roses High School on Monday. Derek was in the team. On Monday, he came home at 1 o'clock to eat his lunch. No one was at home. Derek took some bread out of the refrigerator. He made a nice sandwich by putting some butter and jam on the slices. This is our page number 15 and this is the end of the unit 3 prepositions. डेट मार्क कर लें ऐसे 11 और 6 की। आज तक के लिए इतना ही काम करना है आपने prepositions का। आपने इसको रिवाइज़ भी करना है इसी तरीके से जो ये लिखा हुआ है, आपने बुक के ऊपर ही सॉल्व भी कर लेना। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।